Hello students, welcome to the series of IIT JEE Advanced Question Paper Solutions. Dear students, today we are going to see the question paper of JEE Advanced 2024. Dear students, as all of you know that this question paper consists of three subjects: mathematics, physics and chemistry. Each subject consists of 60 marks. That is, paper 1 total marks allotted are 180 marks. Let us see the questions. Mathematics and physics as well as chemistry will have 4 sections. These 4 sections are different with respect to question pattern. Let us see the section 1. The section 1 consists of 4 questions and the maximum marks allotted for this section is 12 marks. Each question has 4 options A, B, C and D. Only one of these 4 options is the correct answer. For each question, choose the option corresponding to the correct answer. Answer to each question will be evaluated according to the following pattern. Full marks allotted will be +3 if you answer correctly. You will not get any marks if you do not attempt these questions. And there will be a negative mark, that is -1, if you choose wrong answer. Let us see the questions. Question 1. Dear students, the option B is correct option, students. Next, question 2. For this, option C 5/7 is correct option, students. Next, question 3. The correct option for this question is option B is correct option, students. Next, question 4. For this question 4, option A is correct option, students. Dear students, as I said, this question paper consists of 4 different sections. The section 2 questions are 3 questions and each question has 4 options A, B, C and D. One or more than one of these 4 options are correct. For each question, choose the options corresponding to all the correct answers. Answer to each question will be evaluated according to the following marking system. You will get +4 if you choose all the correct options. Partial marks, that is +3 if all the 4 options are correct but only 3 options are chosen. You will get +2 if 3 or more options are correct but only 2 options are chosen, both of which are correct. Partial mark, that is you will get only 1 mark if 2 or more options are correct but only 1 option is chosen and it is a correct option. You will get 0 if you do not attempt these questions. Negative marking, in all other cases you will get -2. Let us see the questions. Question number 5. Dear students, this question has 3 options are correct, that is option A, option C and option D. If you choose all these 3 options, then only you will get +4 marks. Let us see next question. Question number 6. Option B, option C and option D are correct options, students. Next, question number 7. This question, all options are correct options, students. Option A, option B, option C and option D. If you choose all these options, then only you will get +4 marks, students. Next, dear students, this section 3 consists of 6 questions and the answers you have to choose non-negative integer. This section will not carry any negative marking if you write wrong answer. How to choose? For each question, enter the correct integer corresponding to the answer using the mouse and the on-screen virtual numeric keypad. Let us see the questions. Question 8. The correct option is number 8. Next, question 9. Answer is 20. Question 10. Correct answer is 16. Question 11. The correct answer is 665. And the question 12. The answer is 5. Question 13. The correct answer is 42. Dear students, section 4 carries 12 marks. This section contains 4 matching list sets each set has one multiple choice question and each set has two lists, that is list 1 and list 2. You have to match the following. List 1 has 4 entries P, Q, R, S and list 2 has 5 entries 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 options are given in each multiple choice question based on list 1 and list 2 and only one of these 4 options satisfies the condition asked in the multiple choice question. Answer to each question will be evaluated according to the following marking scheme. Full marks, that is you will get plus 3 only if the option corresponding to the correct combination is chosen. You will not get any marks, that is you will get 0 marks if none of the option is chosen, that is question is unanswered, and there will be a negative marks in all other cases, that is -1 mark will be allotted. Let us see the questions. Question number 14. The correct option is C, that is P2, Q4, R3 and S5. So the option C is correct option, students. Next, question number 15. The correct option is C, P4, Q2, R5 and S3. Next, question number 16. The correct option is option C is correct option, students. That is P3, Q4, R1 and S5. Next, question number 17. The correct option is C. The option C, P5, that is Q3, R2 and S is 4. Next, dear students, till now we have completed mathematics 60 marks questions, that is total 17 questions divided into 4 sections. First question consists of 12 marks, second question consists of 12 marks and third section consists of 24 marks and fourth section consists of 12 marks. Total 60 marks. Like that, similarly physics also is divided into 4 sections. The section 1 consists of, or the maximum marks for this section is 12 marks. Let us see the section 1. This section contains 4 questions and the options given will be A, B, C and D, and out of these 4 options you will have only one option will be the correct option. If you choose correct option, then only you will get plus 3 marks. Otherwise, if you do not answer, you will not get any marks. However, if you choose wrong answer, you are going to lose -1 marks. Let us see the questions. Question number 1 from physics, the option A is correct option, students. Next, question number 2, option A is correct option, students. Next, question number 3, option B is correct option, students. Next, question number 4, option C is correct option, students. Yes, students. So, section 2 from physics, this section contains 3 questions and each question will have 4 options. One or more than one options are going to be correct. For each question, choose the options or option which are correct. Then only you will get 4 marks, that is full marks. Answer to each question will be evaluated according to the following marking scheme. If you choose all correct options, then you will get 4. If all the 4 options are correct but only 3 options are chosen, you will get plus 3. If 3 or more options are correct but only 2 options are chosen, both of which are correct, plus 1 if 2 or more options are correct but only one option is chosen and it is a correct option. If you do not attempt, you are not going to get any marks. Otherwise, if you choose any one wrong answer out of 3 or out of 2, you are going to get -2 marks. Let us see the questions. Question number 5. The correct options are option A, option B and option C. Now you are going to get plus 4 marks. Next, question number 6. The option A, C and D are correct options, students. A, C and D. Next, question number 7. Option A and B are correct options, students. Next, section 3. Dear students, this section consists of 6 questions and the maximum marks allotted for this section are 24 marks. and the answer is going to have, that is non-negative integer. The answer will be a number, numeric number. At the same time, that answer is going to be positive answer, that is plus answer. There is no minus, negative. If you write correct answer, you will get +4. If the answer is wrong, or if you do not attempt, then there will be no marks. At the same time, this section will not have any negative marks. Let us see the questions. Question number 8. The correct answer is 25,000, 25,000. Next. Question number 9. The correct answer is 12. Next. Question number 10. The correct answer is number 8. Next. Question number 11. The correct answer is 200, that is 200. Question number 12. The correct answer is 3. Next. Question number 13. The correct answer is 18. Next. Dear students, section 4 carries maximum 12 marks. This section contains 4 matching list sets. Each set has one multiple choice question and each set has 2 lists, that is list 1 and list 2. You have to choose the correct options. List 1 has 4 entries, that is P, Q or S. List 2 has 5 entries, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, 4 options are given in each multiple choice question based on list 1 and list 2. And only one of these 4 options satisfies the correct condition asked in the multiple choice questions. You will get full marks if you choose correct option, that is +3 full marks, 0 marks if you do not attempt, and there will be a negative marking, that is -1, that is -1 if you choose wrong answer. Let us see the questions. Question number 14. The correct option is B, that is P4, Q3 or 5, S2. Next. Question number 15. The correct option is C, that is P3, Q2 or 4, S1. Next. Question number 16. The correct option is A, P5, Q2 R1, S4. Next. Question number 17. The correct option is A, that is P1, Q3 R2, S4. Next. Dear students, let us see chemistry. As I said, this chemistry paper is going to carry 60 marks, and this chemistry paper will have 4 sections. Section 1, you will get 12 marks. Section 2, 12 marks. Section 3, 24 marks. Section 4, you will get 12 marks. Let us see section 1. This section contains 4 questions and each question has 4 options, that is A, B, C, D. Only one of these 4 options is correct answer. For each question, choose the option corresponding to the correct answer. Answer to each question will be evaluated according to the following marking system. If you choose correct option, then you will get +3 marks. If you do not attempt, there will be no marks. If you choose wrong answer, you are going to lose 1 mark, that is negative mark -1. Let us see the questions. Question number 1. A closed vessel contains 10 grams of an ideal gas X at 300 K, which exerts 2 atmospheric pressure. At the same temperature, 80 grams of another ideal gas Y is added to it and the pressure becomes 6 atmosphere. The ratio of root mean square velocities of X and Y at 300 K is option D, 2:1 is correct option, students. Next, at room temperature, disproportionation of an aqueous solution of in situ generated nitrous acid HNO2 gives the species option A is H3O plus, NO3 minus and NO. Next, aspartame, an artificial sweetener, is a dipeptide aspartyl phenylalanine methyl ester. The structure of aspartame is option B is correct option, students. Dear students, you can see phenylalanine and aspartic acid. So the peptide here, it is the peptide bond. The structure of aspartame, it's an artificial sweetener. Next, question number 4. Among the following options, select the option in which each complex in set 1 shows geometrical isomerism and the 2 complexes in set 2 are ionization isomers of each other. That is ene complex ethylene diamine. Option C is correct option, students. Next, this section you will have maximum of 12 marks, and this section contains 3 questions and each question has 4 options A, B, C and D. One or more than one of these 4 options are going to be correct. For each question, choose the correct options corresponding to all the correct answers. Answer to each question will be evaluated according to the following marking scheme. That is, full marks if you choose all the correct options, plus 4 marks will be allotted, plus 3 if all the 4 options are correct but only 3 options are chosen, plus 2 if 3 or more options are correct but only 2 options are chosen, both of which are correct, plus 1 if 2 or more options are correct but only one option is chosen and it is a correct option, 0 if none of the options is chosen. However, if you choose any wrong answer, you are going to get -2. Let us see the questions. Among the following, the correct statements for electrons in an atom is, that is R. A. Uncertainty principle rules out the existence of definite paths for electrons. Yes. And B also is true. The energy of an electron in 2s orbital of an atom is lower than the energy of an electron that is infinitely far away from the nucleus. Yes. C. According to Bohr's model, the most negative energy value for an electron is given by n equal to 1, which corresponds to the most stable orbit. So, among the following, the correct statements for electrons in an atom is A and B and C is correct option, students. Next, question number 6. Reaction of isopropyl benzene with oxygen followed by the treatment with H3O plus, that is acid, forms phenol. And a byproduct P, reaction of P with 3 equivalents of chlorine gives compound Q. Treatment of Q with calcium hydroxide produces compound R and calcium salt S. The correct statements regarding to P, Q, R and S is, that is R. Option A, that is reaction of P with R in the presence of KOH followed by acidification gives this alcohol. And option B, reaction of R with oxygen in the presence of light gives phosgene gas. C. Option D, S on heating gives P. So A, B, D are correct options, students. Next, question number 7. The options in which at least 3 molecules follow octet rule. Yes, A, it will follow carbon dioxide, C2H4, that is ethylene, NO and HCl. All these molecules follows octet rule. And D, carbon dioxide, boron trichloride, ozone and ethylene follows octet rule. Next, dear students, this section 3 maximum marks allotted are 24 and you will have 6 questions. And the answer for these questions you have to write non-negative integer. The answer is a number which is a positive number. For each question you can use numeric keyboard which is available on your screen. Answer to each question will be evaluated according to the following marking scheme. If you write correct answer, you will get plus 4 marks and you will get 0 if you do not answer. At the same time, even if you write wrong answer, you are not going to lose any marks. Let us see the questions. Consider the following volume versus temperature diagram for the expansion of 5 moles of an ideal monoatomic gas. So, volume versus temperature. Considering only PV, that is pressure versus volume, work is involved. The total change in enthalpy in joule for the transformation of state in the sequence X. Answer is 8000. Next, consider the following reaction. Hydrogen, that is 2H2 gas plus 2NO gas gives nitrogen gas plus water, which follows the mechanism given below. The order of reaction is 3. Next, question number 10. Complete reaction of acetaldehyde with excess formaldehyde upon heating with concentrated NaOH solution gives P and Q. Compound P does not give Tollens test, whereas Q on acidification gives positive Tollens test. Treatment of P with excess cyclohexanone in the presence of catalytic amount of para-toluene sulfonic acid gives product R. Sum of the number of methylene groups, that is CH2s, and oxygen atoms in R is 18. Next, question number 11. Among all these complexes, the total number of species isoelectronic with nickel complex is 3. Next, question number 12. In the following reaction sequence, the major product P is formed. Glycerol reacts completely with excess P in the presence of an acid catalyst to form Q. Reaction of Q with excess sodium hydroxide followed by the treatment with calcium chloride yields calcium soap. Or quantitatively, starting with 1 mole of Q, the amount of R produced in gram is 909. Answer is 909, students. Next, question number 13. Among the following complexes, the total number of diamagnetic species is answer 1. Next, section 4. Dear students, this section will carry 12 marks. This section contains 4 matching list sets. Each set has 1 multiple choice question. Each set has 2 lists, that is list 1 and list 2. List 1 has 4 entries P, Q, R, S, and list 2 has 5 entries. 4 options are given in each multiple choice question based on list 1 and list 2, and only one of these 4 options satisfies the condition asked in the multiple choice question. You will get plus 3 marks if you choose correct option. You will not get any marks if you do not attempt. You will get minus 1 mark if you choose wrong answer. Let us see the questions. In a conductometric titration, small volume of titrate of higher concentration is added stepwise to a larger volume of titrate of much lower concentration, and the conductance is measured after each addition. The limiting ionic conductivity values for different ions in aqueous solutions are given below. For different combinations of titrates and titrants given in list 1, the graphs of conductance versus volume of titrant are given in list 2. Match each entry in list 1 with the appropriate entry in list 2 and choose the correct option. Option C, that is P3, Q4, R2, S5. Next, question number 15. Based on Vesper model, match the xenon compounds given in list 1 with the corresponding geometries and the number of lone pairs on xenon given in list 2 and choose the correct option. List 1, that is xenon F2, xenon F4, xenon O3, xenon O3F2. The option B, that is P5, trigonal bipyramidal and 3 lone pair of electrons, and Q3, that is octahedral and 2 lone pair of electrons. Xenon O3 is going to tetrahedral and 1 lone pair of electrons. Xenon O3F2, trigonal bipyramidal and no lone pair of electrons. Next, list 1 contains various reaction sequences and list 2 contains the possible products. Match each entry in list 1 with the appropriate entry in list 2 and choose the correct option. Option A, that is P3, it is going to give diol, and Q5, this secondary alcohol, and R4, this is tertiary alcohol, and S1, this is ring diol. You will have alcohols on ring. Next, list 1 contains various reaction sequences. List 2 contains different phenolic compounds. Match each entry in list 1 with appropriate entry in list 2 and choose the correct option. The option C is correct option, students. That is P3, Q5, R4, then S1. Dear students, this ends JEE advanced question paper with correct official keys. Dear students, we'll meet again with question paper 2 of JEE advanced 2024 with solutions. Till then, bye. Sayonara. Wish you all the best.